A new day and a new bunch of funny and interesting news across the world. We save you time as we search and select the best of the best from the media. In a strange and unusual turn of events, a mysterious cylinder washed up on a beach in Australia. The cylinder is about 3 feet long and 1 foot wide, and it has no markings or identifying information. Some people believe that it could be from a foreign space launch vehicle, while others think it might be a prop from a movie or TV show. Dozens of dachshunds took to the track at a California racecourse for the 26th Wiener Schnitzel Wiener Nationals. The race is a popular event, and this year's competition was no exception. The dogs raced around a 50-yard track, and the winner was a dachshund named Wienerlicious. Firefighters in North Carolina came to the rescue of an unlucky donkey that fell down a sinkhole. The donkey was stuck in the sinkhole for several hours, but firefighters were able to use a rope to pull it out safely. The donkey was unharmed, and it was reunited with its owner. A man in Oregon balanced an umbrella on one finger for over 3 hours to break a world record. The man, named David Rush, set the record at the Oregon State Fair. He was able to balance the umbrella for 3 hours, 2 minutes, and 15 seconds. A loose llama blocked a package delivery driver in Washington. The llama was standing in the middle of the road, and it refused to move. The delivery driver was unable to get around the llama, so he had to call for help. The llama was eventually removed from the road, and the delivery driver was able to finish his deliveries. A group of scientists in the UK have created a new type of artificial intelligence that can write poetry. The AI, called Bard, is able to generate poems that are both creative and grammatically correct. The scientists believe that Bard could be used to help people write poetry or to create new and innovative forms of poetry. A woman in Florida was arrested after she was caught stealing a bag of marshmallows from a grocery store. The woman, who has not been identified, was caught on security camera stealing the marshmallows. She was arrested and charged with petty theft. A group of tourists in China were surprised to find a giant panda sleeping in their hotel room. The panda, which was named Xiao Liwu, had escaped from a nearby panda reserve. The tourists were able to safely return Xiao Liwu to the reserve, and he was reunited with his family. A man in Sweden was arrested after he was caught trying to sell a pet penguin on Craigslist. The man, who has not been identified, was offering the penguin for sale for $1,000. He was arrested and charged with animal cruelty. A group of scientists in the U.S. have created a new type of robot that can walk on water. The robot, called the Aquabot, is made of a special material that allows it to float on water. The Aquabot is still in the early stages of development, but scientists believe that it could be used for a variety of purposes, such as search and rescue missions.